Hi children, good morning. Now we are going to see measures of concentration. Measures of concentration. Under this, we should see 5 concentration terms. First one, normality. Second one, molarity. Third, molality. Fourth, mole fraction. And the last is parts per million, that is ppm. Let us see one by one. Normality. It is denoted by the letter capital N. Normality is nothing but number of gram equivalents of solute by volume of solution in liter. Number of gram equivalents of solute by volume of solution in liter. Number of gram equivalents is nothing but weight of solute by equivalent weight of solute, or mass of solute by equivalent mass of solute. So we can calculate normality of a solution, that is capital N, by the use of this formula. Here gram equivalents can be replaced by W by E. That means mass by equivalent mass. And volume of solution can be replaced by V by 1000. In liters means 1 liter 1000 milliliter. So we can write V by 1000. So we may write normality formula as capital N is equal to W into 1000 divided by equivalent weight, that means E into V. Next, molarity. Molarity, that is denoted by the letter capital M. Molarity, it is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. This molarity of solution changes with temperature. Molarity of solution changes with temperature. Number 3, molality. Molality. It is denoted by the letter small m. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kilogram. Mass of the solvent in kilogram. So we can write molality as M, small letter m is equal to N divided by W. N for number of moles of solute divided by capital W. That means mass of the solvent in kilogram. So by the use of the formula, you can calculate molality of a solution. Number 4, mole fraction. Mole fraction. Mole fraction is independent of temperature. Mole fraction is independent of temperature. When we see about molality, that also independent with temperature. That means molality does not change with temperature. When we see about capital N and capital M, both are changes with temperature. And then molality, small m and mole fraction, these are not changed with temperature. Mole fraction of a component is equal to number of moles of the given component divided by total number of moles in the solution. When we consider a solution, there are two components, solute and solvent. So, if you should consider mole fraction of solute, that is calculated by the formula number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles in the solution. If you should find mole fraction of solvent, it's calculated by number of moles of solvent divided by total number of moles in the solution. Mole fraction is usually denoted by the letter psi. So, mole fraction of solute should calculate means we can replace the word by the use of the notation psi subscript A. Mole fraction of solvent psi subscript B. When we see the sum of mole fraction of solute and mole fraction of solvent, that will be equal to 1. And it is independent of temperature. This mole fraction is independent of temperature. And the fifth one is parts per million. Parts per million, ppm. Small letters ppm. ppm of solute is the mass of the solute present in 10 power 6 parts by mass of the solution. So, parts per million of a solute is the mass of the solute present in 10 power 6 parts by mass of the solution. So, the formula is mass of solute by mass of solution into 10 power 6. Using these 5 measures of concentration, we should prepare some simple numericals according to your syllabus. So, please go through the problems and try to find the answer by the use of these 5 concentration terms. Thank you.